Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing all well in this Corona period. Today, I'm going to discuss with you about one important topic, which is what languages to learn in 2020. So, if you are new and just starting your career as a software engineer or a programmer, so there are actually 5 fields I see where you can work on. So you can work on as a web development backend programmer. You can work for a web development company as a front-end developer. You can work for a mobile application developer. It can be a native mobile applications like for Android native applications, iOS native applications. You can work as a desktop application developer, which is going to be extinct in coming days. And you can work as a hybrid mobile applications developer like React Native developer or Angular developer. So who develops hybrid applications, cross-platform applications. So these are the main 5 areas where you can work on, whether it's a big company or small, whether it's a USA company or European. So in generic, these are the main working criteria. So let me go through each of those one by one. So for web development backend, so backend developers are usually as a PHP developer or maybe a Node.js developer or Ruby or Java or Python. So these are the possible languages that works for the backend developers. So you can choose these. You can learn any of these: PHP, Java, Python, Ruby, C Sharp. So and then you can be a backend developer. You need to know the concepts of object-oriented programming, different kinds of design patterns, and also problem-solving attitude, algorithms to get started with. The salary range for a backend developer varies country to country, but you should get a good salary as a starting point. And then based on your capabilities, working output, you will get more and more promoted to a higher position. So the next category is front-end developer. So to work as a front-end developer, you need to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript must, and then if you know React.js, that's also fine, or Angular. These are the popular languages now to work with for working as a front-end developer. So if you are planning to work as a front-end developer, I would suggest to learn HTML completely, and then you learn CSS, and also then learn JavaScript, and then parallelly run React or Angular, any of these languages. Then the next category is mobile apps. So you can be working as a mobile app developer for a software company, and then your languages will be Objective-C or Swift or Java or Python or maybe JavaScript as a React Native. So these are the mobile apps developers languages that if you are planning to work as a mobile apps developer, you should try to learn any of those. That should be fine, like Objective-C, Swift, Java, Python. That's it. These are native applications development. And if you wanted to have cross-application development, cross-platform application developer, then React Native, that's fine for you. So learn any of those languages and become a mobile apps developer. For desktop application developer, this is going to be extinct in coming days because no one going to build on desktop applications nowadays. So everything is moving towards web, and but still there are some jobs. And if you know any of those languages, C Sharp, Java, or Python, then probably you are good to go, and you can work as a desktop application developer. So there are varieties of languages available to choose from. Select the language which you want to work with. So if you wanted to work as a backend developer, then I would suggest you learn as a any of the languages like PHP, Java, Python, Ruby. If you want to be a front-end developer, I would suggest you focus on JavaScript mostly, and then React, JS or Angular, and also HTML, CSS. And if you are going to be a mobile apps developer, then you can focus on Swift or Objective C for iOS, and for Android you focus on Java. So that's my observation, and from my experience, these are the top popular languages that you can learn in 2020 and build your career in IT. So thank you for watching my video. I request you to subscribe and share it with your friends. I try to provide more and more useful videos for you, so that you can get an in-depth knowledge about programming languages, AWS, and also WordPress. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.